In this video, we're introducing the Weldplas Pro plasma cutting machine. This is an entry-level machine suitable for light fabrication, development work, education. So you can see it's built around a tank. It's got a water bed in there and a Techserv control system on a stalk. We'll have a quick walk round, show you what it's all about. First things, as a easy-to-use Techserv control system with a nice touch screen mounted on a movable stalk. So we can tuck this thing out of the way. Inbuilt water bed, about 200 millimeters deep. This machine's got a cutting area of 1.5 meters square, so 1.5 by 1.5. Height sense head, full automatic height sense, initial plate find, and arc voltage height sense as it's cutting. Steel beam, slides front and back. Rack tucked out the way, and it's just zoom out a bit and just see it's a compact machine. So ideal for development work or say light fabrication or education. 3 sets of motors, high speed cutting, easy to use, £13,000 plus a plasma pack. If you opt for one of the new Tubora IQC plasma packs, they'll do marking and spotting out of the box without any consumable changes, all automatically. So you don't need a percussion engraver, which are very, very noisy and tend to make your ears bleed. So this is all contained in a little IQC plasma. This is the IQC unit itself. Is a 130 amp version. This one set at 70 amps. So you can see it's got a colour display and a computer interface, so the control system can control the current automatically and display any errors or messages coming from the plasma back to the controller. This machine has a very compact control system designed and built in our workshops in the UK. All fits in this small box here. Sat down at the bottom is a Windows 11 PC by Dell. Nice, compact, reliable unit. Because it's a Windows PC, you can hang it across your network and access data files and things directly. Its compact size and ease of use makes it ideal for use in most workshops for fabrication, light fabrication or development work. Imagine if you're developing some sheet metal parts, you do a drawing, send it off to the laser cutters. 3 or 4 days later, it comes back, you try it, you modify it, send it off to the laser cutters. You go through this cycle 3 or 4 times. It could take a couple of weeks. Whereas with this thing, you can cut it out immediately, try it, modify it, cut it, and therefore reduce your development time down to a couple of hours perhaps.